What's up, family? Now, Bitcoin is pushing up, but we're going to put our $5 in there today, too, right? Just $5. Oh, nah. I wish I could get that right now. That would be beautiful. We go to market order, and then you say buy USD, right? And you say $5. Put that in. And then submit that. Let me see. Y'all see that? Done. Order got filled. And, you know, we putting $5 a day in here because I want to show y'all how you can just build your Bitcoin position out. Right now, we stacking Satoshis every day. We getting a little more, right? Because we understand where Bitcoin is going. And let me see about XRP. Man, I hate to buy it way up here, but we got to put in $5 a day, family. Wherever we at. I still got that limit order. It didn't pull back. It didn't pull back for me, y'all. That's all right. What we're going to do is we're going to cancel this one. Let me see. We're going to cancel that order, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to buy $10 today of XRP because we're supposed to put 5 in a day. That's 5 yesterday, 5 today, right? So we not slacking. Y'all feel me? Boom. We done. We done with that. So we stacking XRP as well, right? Not really tripping about, where the price is. We just worried about accumulating. Because think about it. You get you a Coke and a honey bun or a donut or some chips or something like that. You didn't spend $5 to $6. So I challenge you to put them donuts down, put them pops down. Shit, put the coffee down for this year and put $5 in the XRP. Or you can still drink the coffee and the chips and the donuts and whatever, the pop. But make sure you putting $5 a day in the Bitcoin and the XRP. And you constantly, and you active with it, right? Because your choices and your decisions reflect your journey and your future. I love y'all. Peace.